Christmas lights at Burton, right, Alexandra?
Da. Ce frumosi. Hai să văd dacă vedem pe Santa. Uite, e sleigh, mama, jocului Rudolph. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer. Uite Santa. Ia.
Uite și aici e pe Japon.
Wow. Hanukkah. Vezi? Mă câte pe 8. Ce frumos e. Ca dacă sunt în Wonderland. Uite pe Santa. Uite.
Santa and Mrs. Claus, they kiss each other.
Yep. Și acolo e Santa packing stuff. Uite un flower, it's growing a flower. Vezi?
Merry Christmas!
Look! He's putting, look, a flower is growing.
Poinsettias, huh? Flowering. And look, here is at the
Penguins!
North Pole. Huh? Yeah.
Wow. It's pretty. Oh, look at the candy canes. They're getting out. Vezi, Mama, uite. Și merge in the back. You see? That's the elf. Vezi?
That's in Santa's workshop, huh?
Yep, one of the elf. And look at Rudolph. He's hiding.
Aici că nu clap.
Wow. Hi.
Woohoo!
Here's a time to be jolly. La 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 la. Here's a time to be jolly. La 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 la. Uite Rudolph face așa candy canes. Ca circus. The holly la 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 la.
Gingerbread.
Look at the gingerbread. Ah, he's going almost. Let's see if we can catch it. Yeah, look. Ah. Look at that big tree.
Look, Santa's gone on the chimney.
Yeah. He's putting a lot of time to that house. This is so cool. Hey, where they going? Oh, they're going back, right? Wow. It's pretty. Oh, look at the angels. That's the way we celebrate Jesus, Vez. Look. The wise still seek him.
Oh, look how nice they made this.
Oh, wow.
You know Dasher
And Panzer, and Prancer, and Vixen, Darwin, and Cupid, and Donner, and Blitzen. But do you recall the most famous reindeer of all? Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose. Mama, pussy, music, juice. Oh, Lord, oh, little Lord Jesus, asleep in his grave. No bed for Lord
they
Jesus.
never let poor
quickly. Look, that's Rudolph, that's a present, that's Santa, that's an elf, that's another elf, and that's Miss Claus.
It is?
Yeah, you see, it's a lizard. So first is Santa, then elf, then another elf, then Miss Claus, then Rudolph, the presents.
And they're all jumping on a caterpillar?
Yeah.
Ain't that something?
Wow. I feel so joyful.
I'm glad. Oh, look at that.
Oh, look at that elf. That looks like magic, you see? That's just cool. That's what I mean?
No, I can see it. It's too dark.
I know.
Rudolph the red-nosed
Nose reindeer had a very shiny nose.
and if you
Ever saw it,
do it,
say it glows,
all of
The other reindeers
used to laugh and
call him lame.
they never let poor Rudolph
Rudolph
join in any reindeer
Then one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say, "Ho, off with your nose so bright, won't you blind like sleigh tonight?"
then how
The reindeers loved him as they shouted out with glee,
Rudolph the
Red-nosed reindeer, you will go in history.
you'll go down in
History. Look at that choo-choo train. See, Mom?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, wow. Look, it's traveling. Hi, Elf. Hi, Rudolph. Hey, it moved, Liz. Mom, it moved. Here comes to the most wonderful wonderland.